What we value most working with CorpServe is their proactive support. They don't just respond to requests, they anticipate requirements and remind us of upcoming deadlines, which really help us to stay on track.
Okay, so I'm Maria Theresa Bibal. I'm the FP&A manager of our Philippine entity. And as the FP&A manager, I am responsible for ensuring that our management reports are accurate, correct, and are relevant to our top management's decision making. So, for the what our company does basically business process outsourcing like accounting, tax, and other related compliances. And we have clients from here in the Philippines as well as globally. And with me is Mr. John Kristofer Almontero. He is the accountant in charge for our Singapore entity.
Hi, my name is John Kristofer Almontero. You can call me Topher. I'm the accountant in charge for DVP Singapore. As Theresa said, our company is a business process outsourcing, providing finance and accounting services to CFOs and professional services firm, particularly in Singapore. Also, we have different entities based on different countries. Well, as the accountant in charge, I am the one who records our day-to-day accounting transactions and prepare management reports to our executives that is reliable and relevant to management decision making. And for working with the CorpServe, since I was hired by DVP Singapore in 2024, however, I believe that the company is with CorpServe for almost 4 years since it was established in 2022. Yeah.
So our first experience on working with CorpServe started way back year 2022. So when our top management decided to establish an entity in Singapore. So even though we are all accountants by profession, since we are Filipinos, we are unfamiliar with the Singapore's rules and regulations. That's why we decided to seek help from CorpServe in our initial incorporation as well as the succeeding compliances.
Since partnering with CorpServe, one key improvement has been the smoother and faster handling of our compliance and documentation processes, such as regulatory filings and document preparation have become more streamlined. As a result, we spend less time on administrative tasks and focus more on core businesses activities. What we value most working with CorpServe is their proactive support. They don't just respond to requests, they anticipate requirements and remind us of upcoming deadlines, which really help us to stay on track.
So for that, same with the CorpServe, we have a smooth transaction with them. They are approachable, and they always immediately respond to our emails and queries regarding the matter.
Yes, I would describe our relationship with the CorpServe client service team as very collaborative and reliable, as they are easy to work with and consistent, responsive whenever we have questions or urgent requests. Yeah, I remember Ong Ting, and she is the one who emailed us when there is a reminder for filing of our compliance. Yeah, that's all.
For other business, so what we can say is that I, as the manager of the accountant handling the DVP Singapore, so I highly recommend the services of CorpServe to other companies to be able to help them in their compliances and other corporate management services. They are trustworthy and they deliver quality outputs as well. And you are confident that your company is in good hands. And as what Mr. Almontero said earlier, you can focus more on the value adding task with your company. That would be all.